does it make you sad that people might increasingly use ChatGPT for something where they would previously use Wikipedia? So basically, use it to answer basic questions about the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, no.
And where the answer really comes at the source of it from Wikipedia, but they're using this as an interface.
Yeah, no, that's completely fine. I mean, part of it is our ethos has always been, here's our gift to the world, make something. So if the knowledge is more accessible to people, even if they're not coming through us, that's fine. Now, obviously, we do have certain business model concerns, right? Like we've talked where we've had more conversation about this whole GPT thing is new. Things like if you ask Alexa, what is the Eiffel Tower? And she reads you the first two sentences from Wikipedia and doesn't say it's from Wikipedia. And they've recently started citing Wikipedia. Then we worry like, oh, if people don't know they're getting the knowledge from us, are they going to donate money? Or do they just think, oh, what's Wikipedia for? I can just ask Alexa. It's like, well, Alexa only knows anything because she read Wikipedia. So we do think about that, but it doesn't bother me in the sense of like, oh, I want people to always come to Wikipedia first. But we're also, had a great demo, like literally just hacked together over a weekend by our head of machine learning, where he did this little thing to say, you could ask any question, and he was just knocking it together. So he used the OpenAI's API just to make a demo. Ask a question, why do ducks fly south for winter?
Mm-hmm.
Which is the kind of thing you think, oh, I might just Google for that. I might start looking in Wikipedia. I don't know. And so what he did is he asked ChatGPT, what are some Wikipedia entries that might answer this? Then he grabbed those Wikipedia entries, said, here's some Wikipedia entries, answer this question based only on the information in this. And he had pretty good results. And it kind of prevented the making stuff up. Now, it's just he hacked together a weekend, but what it made me think about was, oh, okay, so now we've got this huge body of knowledge that in many cases, you're like, oh, I want to know about Queen Victoria. I'm just going to go read the Wikipedia entry and it's going to take me through her life and so forth. But other times you've got a specific question and maybe we could have a better search experience where you can come to Wikipedia, ask your specific question, get your specific answer that's from Wikipedia, including links to the articles you might want to read next. And that's just a step forward. Like that's just using a new type of technology to make the extraction of information from this body of text into my brain faster and easier. So I think that's kind of cool.
I would love to see a ChatGPT grounding into websites like Wikipedia, and the other comparable website to me will be like Wolfram Alpha for more mathematical knowledge, that kind of stuff. So grounding, like taking you to a page that is really crafted, as opposed to like the moment you start actually taking you to like journalist websites, like news websites, it starts getting a little iffy. Getting a little because they have you're now in a land that has a wrong incentive,
right? Yeah,
you pulled in,
and you need somebody to have filtered through that and sort of tried to knock off the rough edges. Yeah, no, it's very. I think that's exactly right, and I think, I think that kind of grounding is. I think they're working really hard on it. I think that's really important, and that actually, if you asked me to step back and be like very business-like about our business model and where's it going to go for us, and are we going to lose half our donations because everybody's just going to stop coming to Wikipedia and go to ChatGPT? I think grounding will help a lot because, frankly, most questions people have, if they provide proper links, we're going to be at the top of that just like we are in Google. So we're still going to get tons of recognition and tons of traffic just from, even if it's just the moral properness of saying, here's my source. So I think we're going to be all right in that.
Yeah, and the close partnership of if the model is fine-tuned, is constantly retrained, that Wikipedia is one of the primary places where if you want to change what the model knows, one of the things you should do is contribute to Wikipedia or clarify on Wikipedia.
Yeah. No, that's
or elaborate, expand, all that kind of stuff.